Hello everyone, welcome to this new tutorial where I'm going to show you how you can integrate your ActiveCampaign account with your Systeme account. Let's say you already have your email list and all your automations with ActiveCampaign. So it's super easy to connect both of the tools, so you can keep using Systeme for your funnels and everything else, and keep your automations and email list with ActiveCampaign. So before we start, let me show you how you can get, if you click the very first link in the description, how you can get my Systeme Launch Kit 2.0, where you can get 4 done-for-you systems to generate your first $1,000 a month. It's free. Just click the link in the description. And also, if you don't have a Systeme account, you can create one for free by clicking the link in the description. So from your main dashboard, you're going to click on the right-hand side inside on your profile picture, and then click on Settings. And from here, you're going to look for integrations on the left-hand side. And from here, you will click on ActiveCampaign. Here it's going to ask you a few information that you will need to provide. So you go back to your ActiveCampaign account, you go all the way down to settings, and then you look for developers. You click on it, and you see you have a few information, few URLs that you need to provide for Systeme.io. So we start with the URL. So we're going to copy the API URL and go back to Systeme.io and then click on Command V. And then we go back to ActiveCampaign to look for the API key. So we're going to click on copy here, and then Command V again inside of Systeme.io to copy and paste the API key. Then you don't forget to click on activate to activate the integration. And from here, you're going to choose from all 3 triggers that you want to activate. The very first one, obviously, you want to have it. So every time you create a contact inside of Systeme.io, it's going to create a contact automatically inside of ActiveCampaign. And then you can choose if you want to create the triggers that will tag. When tag is added to a contact, we will add the same tag inside of ActiveCampaign. And if you remove a tag inside of Systeme.io, let's say you have an automation in Systeme.io that removes a tag, then it's going to remove a tag from the contact, the same tag inside of ActiveCampaign. So once you're good, you just click on save. And then you have your ActiveCampaign account connected to Systeme.io. If you ever, for any reason, want to disconnect it, you just click on it, and you just click the activate button here. Just untoggle it, and you click on save, so the changes are saved. And now your ActiveCampaign account is not connected anymore. So if you have any questions, please leave your questions inside of the comment section. If you liked the video, please like and subscribe to the channel. It really helped me. Thanks again, and see you in the next video. Bye.